Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I'm gonna do unboxing of 3 different brands. One is Chanel, of course. I got new collection, new stitching color bag, so wait for this one. But before Chanel unboxing, I gonna do Prada and Sandro unboxing. Let's get started. So this is one of Sandro's tote bag. It was on sale recently. I don't really carry tote bag because tote bag is kind of heavy, big, but very comfortable and then casual for daily use. So I wanted to get one tote bag. Sandro has a lot of tote bag in various material. There's jacquard, fabric, tweed, denim. So this is one of the material. Let me open. So this is fabric tote bag, tie-dye style. So it's really summery. You can match with any outfit. It's very good price. Usually $345 in USA, but it was on sale 30%. This was $240 in USA. I love it because sometimes I really need a big bag. I have only mini bags mostly. Sometimes for traveling or daily bag when you need a lot of item to put inside. I was thinking should I get one Dior bag? But then, what's the point? Dior is $2,000 to $3,000 as I know. It's really expensive with just fabric bag. It's not even leather. So I am not sure I am willing to pay that amount of money for daily tote bag. Very good deal. I got matching hat. It's inside this bag. Both were on sale. Ta-da! So it's exactly same tie-dye, same purple color. I love this matching set. For any summer outfit, I can match bag and the hat. The original price was $110. After sale, it was $77. It's a good deal. So when you think about Prada, what is the item you really want to purchase? Right now, there are so many hit items from Prada, so many summer items I want to purchase. So I got one Prada item from Prada boutique in Beverly Hills, and the others I got Prada style items. It's really good deal, so I have to really share with you. Doesn't matter the brand, I'm gonna show you how cheap it could be with Prada style. But this one I have to get from Prada. Let me do unboxing of this one, and then we'll show you other items as well. Don't miss this. So if you watched my previous video about shopping vlog in Prada boutique, you're gonna wonder why she bought another one, not the one she tried. I tried raffia bucket hat. It's a hit item now, and it's almost $1,000, right? When I was trying on, it looks pretty, and I tried size M, and it was really tight. So I was asking the salesperson, is this come small? Usually when I wear any bucket hat, it fits okay, and it doesn't look too tight. But when I try this M size raffia bucket hat, it's really tight, and then I don't feel like it's right size for me. Because this is made of material raffia, it comes really small because it's woven kind of natural straw material, so it comes a little bit small. So he said you can go one size up. So I was thinking about it, but then raffia hat can be not that durable. I believe it can be torn off easily, so it's not gonna be easy to maintain. So I was not sure about this raffia hat. It's trend, it might go away after summer. So I was looking for other bucket hat to try on, and I finally got this green nylon. So it's made of nylon, typical Prada bag material. White color can match with anything, either white or black color. But it's summer, so white color gonna be good. It's $675 in USA, but when I checked raffia bucket hat, it was $850, almost $1,000. So next one, so I wanted to buy Prada raffia bag, but then it's almost $2,000. So I don't think it makes sense to me. It's summer bag, seasonal bag. I don't want to pay $2,000 just for summer seasonal bag. This kind of summer item, I would say you don't want to pay too much. I got Prada inspired raffia bag from one of Instagram account I found. I'm not affiliated with this brand. If you're interested, you can find similar one from any brand. Ta-da! So I tried in lime color in Prada boutique in previous video. It was $1,800. So this one might be a little bit weak. I'm not sure how much it's durable, but I love this Prada style. Instead of this Paris Milano, Prada Milano. So I would just try this during summertime. This one was $45. Very good deal, right? So this is Prada style. I want to suggest you can find very similar style less than $100 or $50. There are so many straw or raffia material bag in very reasonable price. So I recommend you to buy this kind of summer item, not from Prada. local brand. So I like this one. And next one, this is from Shane. I'm not affiliated with Shane. It's like crystal bling bling bag style. Also, I found a little bit expensive brand, but not Prada. There was like Cartagaya. They have exactly same style. I think Shane copied Cartagaya. Cartagaya, the same style bag, like $500. Can you believe? I don't want to pay that amount for this kind of basic crystal bag. So this one was like $30. Can you believe? Good deal. Cartagaya style crystal bag. Highly recommend. Any brand you can find. There are so many same style everywhere, so you can buy from anywhere. And next, I was trying denim top from Prada. The denim top was $725 in Prada. I would not pay for the denim bralette or bra top in Prada. I got this from Zara. $40 in Zara compared to Prada $700 denim top. Exactly same style. You pay just $40 from Zara. Voila. So I would wear with any like a white top. And my last unboxing. Let me open my Chanel new season, new color bag. One of the hit items in Chanel 22B collection. You might guess what kind of bag is this? Oh my god. Let me just take this up. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Yes, this is 22 bag. Finally, I got this 22 bag. This is small size U22B collection color, light gray, bright color or dark color or neutral color, because there are so many colors coming out every season. Now this is like one of the trendy hit bag. So yeah, I was not sure which color I'm gonna go for, which size I'm gonna go for, but like usually I'm not big fan of too big bag, but right now I get like all big size tote bag and this bag. Hardware is kind of like not shiny, so I think it really goes well with this like gray color, not shiny silver tone hardware. 22B hobo bag. Oh, I didn't know 22 bag is hobo bag. Love it, love it. Chanel logo like this. It's gonna be a little bit slouch style hobo bag. Very natural shape. I don't like too structured shape mostly from Chanel. This is the kind of shape I like. Silver tone metal. It's a calfskin. I heard there's a shiny calfskin as well among 22 bags. The price is $5,100 in USA. Small size is $5,100. Medium size is $5,300. And large size is $5,800. And there's a backpack style as well, as you know. So backpack style is $5,300. All these different size is like less than $6,000. I think this is very practical, good size bag compared to the price. Yeah. My salesman said, finally you got it. Why you don't get this? This is your style, casual style. I wanted to get white color or black color as well. Because of this size, I don't want to go for too crazy color because you're gonna be fed up with the color easily when it's too big. I wanted to go for some neutral color, white, black, gray, brown, something like that. So I'm happy with this color. So inside is like this. Let me show you. There's a pouch actually inside. This is amazing. You can put any essential things inside and close with a zipper. Let me open like this. You can put any cosmetic things inside. Same color lining in diamond quilting. One zipper pocket. It fits a lot. Yeah, the Chanel logo here as well. Made in Italy. Yeah, you can close this. Oh, this is nice. You can close like this. What do you think about this bag? Would you get any 22 bag? So this is it. Hope you enjoyed my video and see you next time. Bye bye.